Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another adventure. Today I have with me Emily and we are out here in the middle of the Adirondacks at a first come first served campground. Right now we're just looking for a nice place to stay and pitch our tents and a good fishing spot. We'll keep you guys posted on everything that we're doing and let you know if we find anything interesting. Sweet. Peace. Oh my god. This is the spot right here. Alright guys, so we got base camp set up. We had ourselves a little lunch and it was delicious. We deserved and earned that lunch. So we're just gonna take a nap while the weather's nice. I got 2 fishing lines in the water right now. Hopefully one of those goes off and we can catch a fish, but we'll see what happens. Peace. We all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will, but love it, 'cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, something like take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the times when I said I should. Today that I am today. You're rocking the shit out of the boat. I'm gonna fall. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Oh shit. Oh. Wow. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, my heart is racing. Wow. Look at that guy. My heart is racing. Oh! Woo! Check that baby out. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. My heart is racing right now. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh my god, it's a really nice fish. Guys, we're smacking them out here. Oh, let's go. Oh! Oh, we on the money! Oh, oh yeah!
Hello.
Doesn't know where to go.
He's so cute.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Your hand was soaking wet. Alright guys, today on the agenda we have a little adventure. We're going to go climb a mountain called Mount Ampersand. Right now it's 4 o'clock because our day started off with a little delay. Partied a little too hard for someone's birthday and this guy got a little too drunk. So wasn't feeling well, but now we're back out on the water, gonna go adventure, and we'll keep you guys posted. So see you out there. Alright guys, we are probably about a third of the way up the trail right now. There was one thing I forgot to mention before we started hiking. We grabbed these rocks. We grabbed these at the very bottom of the trail, and we're going to take them all the way to the top of the mountain. It symbolizes any hardship, obstacle, fear, something that weighs you down in your life. As you're climbing this mountain, when you get to the top, launch that rock off the top and relieves the stress of that burden, that obstacle, that fear. So it's a fun little thing I learned from summer camp many years ago. We have one rule: you cannot downgrade your rock, you can only upgrade it and swap it out for a bigger one as you go up the mountain. So starting small. Hopefully I don't see a really nice rock that's like the size of my head. Alright, see you guys at the top. You're the one that's overheating. Oh, it doesn't come out freezer. I love it. Is your heart racing?
Yes.
Mine is racing too. Wow.
This is so much better than I expected.
We climbed that entire freaking mountain. That took us just under 2 hours. You thinking what I'm thinking? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Wow. So these rocks symbolize something that's been weighing you down in life, same way that they've been weighing us down to the top of this mountain. Now that we conquered this mountain, we can conquer pretty much anything that this burden symbolizes. And we're going to launch them off the edge like we should with all of our problems. You ready? Mm-hmm. Watch out below! 1, 2, 3. We just made it back to the car. See, it's right there. The time is 8:30. Took us an hour and a half to get down, 2 hours to get up. We took 4 breaks on the way up and 1 break on the way down. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time for our next adventure. Peace.